Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. It is possible that recently if you try to update your ThinkPad BIOS using ThinkPad BIOS utility or the BIOS update utility for Windows, you might see different error messages like Windows security error, action blocked, and driver cannot load on this device. Lenovo Vantage error with message, some updates are not installed correctly, and flash error that reads an unexpected error has occurred, the utility process has not completed. You may see these error messages if you have installed following updates: KB50 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 on Windows 10 22H2, KB50 KB50 or KB50 on Windows 11 22H2 and 23H2, and KB50 KB50 or KB50 on Windows 11 24H2. It's happening because with these updates, Microsoft updated the vulnerable driver block list to improve security, but that change accidentally blocks the tool WinFlash64.exe, which is critical for updating your ThinkPad BIOS. The good thing is Lenovo is aware of this issue already and working on releasing new ThinkPad BIOS update utilities soon. In the meantime, company shared 3 methods to successfully update BIOS on ThinkPad. You can check the information here on the support page. Use one of the method that you find convenient and update the BIOS. So that's all for this video now. Whenever I get more update on this issue, I will keep you posted. In the meantime, why don't you join the comment section and tell if you are facing the similar issue. And if you find this video useful in any way, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.